All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install the Office 365 desktop apps. So if I click right here where it says Install Office, we can do Office 365 apps. So that'll be Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So I'll click on that. We'll save the file. I'll let that download, and then I'll click on it, and we'll double click on it. And it's going to pop up, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. And then we're going to get ready. We're going to get things ready. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and let this start to install. And when it gets to a point where I want to show you the screen, as I say that, it's cooperating with me fast. Okay. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back with you in a minute. All right, I'm back. So you're all set. Office is installed. Click Start to view your apps. So I'm going to close that out. I'll close this Downloads folder. We'll close this. I'll click on the Start menu here, and I'll type in Word. Click on that. It'll pop open here. Okay. So, hello, Josh. Confirm your account. So I'll do Next. Okay. I'm going to accept. And then you can see here we have the different menus similar to what we had in the web version. Similar to what's in the web version, I should say. And what we should do is right click on this and pin this to the taskbar. So that way when we close it, it's right here. Okay. So I'm going to minimize this because we don't need the web browser anymore. And I'm going to open up Word, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.